Maximum Potential Now brings together three artists, Samantha Cheng, Joils, and Sophie Sutherland, who each draw from the multiple and ever-persuasive languages and realities of consumer capitalism. What writer Gia Tolentino refers to in her essay Always Be Optimizing as the chopped salad economy's accelerationist nightmare. One of these realities is the feeling of failure felt through an acute lack, inability to measure up to an expected standard, or how active opposition or resistance to capitalism can become, ultimately, subsumed back into the norm. Much of the language of commercial advertising exploits anxieties around failure, a language often shared by the self-help and wellness industries. Are you surviving or thriving? Cheng, Joils, and Sutherland together explore this feeling of failure through their work and embrace in part what can be absurd, funny, joyful, pointless, and/or redundant about experiencing day-to-day life under our current consumer capitalist system. Maximum Potential Now takes the pressures on people to self-optimize, hustle, and keep their market-friendly optimism, and attempts to subvert these through simple gestures of co-option. Materials and elements taken from the surrounding visual cultures of consumerism become the means to test its boundaries. The potential for a product to be the expected solution to a problem is often what keeps the system as a complex machine of desires and experiences ticking. Such potential must necessarily remain unrealized to keep it ticking.